Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the app and immediately granting camera and fingerprint permissions so the system can match the strip image to your account. Once done, place the test strip on a flat, well-lit surface. Avoid bright backlight that washes out colors. Now follow the prompt. Align the strip in the camera frame and rest your finger on the sensor for 1 to 2 seconds. This initial scan links the image to your fingerprint ID for secure, personalized tracking. Once the strip is framed by the on-screen guides, tap Capture and hold still. The app may take multiple exposures to ensure a clean read. It analyzes color bands and intensity, comparing results against its database to determine a positive, negative, or invalid pattern. After analysis, you verify the result with your fingerprint so the app records who authorized the reading and prevents tampering. Make sure to review the auto read and any confidence score before moving on. Save the verified result to your secure profile and add a note or timestamp so you can track changes over time. The fingerprint ensures it's tied to you. Once saved, use the timeline or trend view to interpret patterns across multiple tests and spot gradual changes. If the app flags an invalid read or low confidence, try rescanning under neutral light and steady hands. If that fails, use a new certified strip and repeat the capture to ensure.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.